2020 in India will be the biggest test of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's intent and ability to translate his reserves of political capital into bold economic action that is badly needed to revive the economy that is currently growing at the slowest pace since 2013. Having consolidated political support, both through re-election in 2019 and the swift delivery of key campaign promises, especially made to his core Hindu nationalist base, Modi now has a unique opportunity to pursue more deeper as well as more vigorous reforms before the next major state election level cycles in October 2020. One of the areas where Modi will likely seek to make significant progress is on the divestment and privatization of state-owned enterprises. In particular, the Modi government will seek to complete the privatization of Air India, which is the national flag carrier, as well as of Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, which is one of India's leading state-owned oil refining companies, before the current fiscal year ends on 31st March 2020. This would contrast with the approach that we saw to privatization in the first term, which was really an exercise in balance sheet jugglery rather than any meaningful disinvestment. While this change in approach is largely driven by the need to shore up the government's public finances, especially amidst a rising fiscal deficit, the outright sale of these as well as other SOEs will significantly boost the credibility of the government's privatization agenda, driving increased foreign interest in future sales. However, foreign businesses should note that this privatization drive is unlikely to extend to public sector banks that account for the lion's share of bad loans in the banking sector. This is down to the fact that continuing government ownership enables the government to disburse political patronage in the form of direct bank credit to favored lobbies. Instead, we expect the Modi administration to primarily use laws for faster resolution and bankruptcy procedures that were first introduced in 2016 to tackle the bad loan problem.